Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you these pretty neat locking pliers that I got. They're going to be available for sale on eBay, so it's just a demonstration video for the eBay listing. You can get a look at these. They're made by, let's see if we can check it out, BMC Manufacturing Corporation. Made in the USA. These are number 7. You can see they got this little wheel to adjust. You can see the sizes, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. Imagine this is 3/4, but I can't really read it from here. If we open them up. So I have a little drill bit here. Obviously the drill bit is not included in the listing, but see, they work. That wheel moves actually pretty easy. Do need some cleaning. I don't clean any tools, so pick it up. Might have to plan on cleaning it. So there you go.